In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious breakfast muffin with egg and cheese and bacon recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 4 slices of ham, 4 eggs, 4 circle cut bread, a 1/4 cup of bacon, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. We're going to take each slice of ham and use it as a liner for each hole in a muffin pan. Add a piece of the circle cut bread into the bottom of each muffin pan. Add some cheese on top of the bread. Add some bacon. Crack an egg into a bowl and pour it into each muffin hole. Season each egg with salt and pepper. Bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Once out of the oven, top with more bacon and cheese. Bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Our breakfast muffin with egg, cheese, and bacon is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.